Hi guys, you're welcome back to our channel. We are currently riding on the Owerri Mbaise Umuahia highway. Yes, we're actually leaving Umuahia now to Owerri and we are taking through Mbaise. So we learned that there are a lot of work currently going on this route, though the road has not been awesomely good and not too bad as well. So it has just been in between, just some few spots here and there, but we learned that the Imo State government is doing quite in good work along the road. So we're going to be checking out the work they are doing and bringing you guys the updates regarding that work. I think it will be cool to have a very clean ride and if possible dualize this road. I think that will be awesome to see. But when we get to those spots they are working on, we'll see what they are up to. If you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do well to click the subscribe button, also turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you very much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. And if you are from this region at all, also do rep in the comment section. So we are currently along that road. For as many of you are familiar with it, you know we are there and we are at a session where the work has gotten to, so all of this place has been totally scrapped. The asphalt along here has been totally removed, and around this region they are trying to dualize this part of the road. So they just scraped it, poured sand on it and mashed it. So nothing much here. So if you are planning to use this route, just know that be prepared for dust if you are not using AC. No, it's going to be really dusty. So it's quite very dusty this afternoon as we were riding through, and with few demarcations here and there. You know, you can observe the cars ahead of me jumping from one lane to another just to maintain a smooth ride because a section of the other lane has not been scrapped off. So that is the update around this area of town. And as you know, Mbaise is quite a very huge community that it's quite a very huge community. They have different Mbaise, so I don't really know the different Mbaise. So if you are seeing the different Mbaise on my screen or you are from any of them, you can also specify if we pass through your community. So around this region, some stones, some dust, so to say, stone dust has been poured on a particular section of this road. So they are just taking it bit by bit, and we'll get closer and closer. You see a section they are working, a section they are not working. That is just how they are doing the road. So Cranberg is the one currently doing this road, and it's a 43-kilometer long road they are currently working on. So it's going to be a very smooth ride going forward to Owerri from Umuahia. I'm quite excited about it because these routes are usually my route, and when they finished the one of Okigwe, I was really excited to see that from Enugu to Owerri through Okigwe is a very smooth ride. So coming from Abia now, or coming from Umuahia rather, not Abia now, it's a very clean ride to where it will be by the time this project is completed. So around this region, as you can see again, the stone dust has been poured on the ground, raising so much dust. So sometimes you have to just keep your double trafficators on for incoming vehicles to know that you are actually coming, or keep your headlights on. So it can be very dusty and you might not really be able to see much when you are riding on it. So the workers are on ground around this session, but around the other sessions we've passed, they are not on ground. But you can see the heavy duties truck and caterpillars ahead of us, so they are doing quite a lot of work around this region. So this section of the road, asphalting is already going on around this portion of the road on the other lane. So we are currently managing just a single lane road, and hoping that the next time I visit this region, the 2-lane should have been completed. Yeah, we hope for that. So if you are seeing our video for the first time and you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, kindly do well to click the subscribe button to be part of our family. And for returning subscribers, thank you very much. We do appreciate you for always supporting us. So let us get your thoughts and your view about this project in the comment section. And like the state government said, that this is second term is for work. Let's see how much work he's going to bring to Imo State before his 4 years expires in this tenure. So that is it, guys. So you can see that this portion of the road is all done. I don't know why this side of the road is a single lane. I would have really appreciate a dual carriageway, but it's a single lane road. I don't know why. Probably they still have plans for expansion, maybe. So we'll keep our fingers crossed as we go on and observe the completion of the work. Again, one thing I also observe on this job, I just hope it is well highlighted by the time they are on. There are no drainage system on both sides in some sections of the road. I don't know if they have plans to come and do that, but I think it would be very good for drainage system to be there to help control traffic, because if you know the road before, there are some sections that were bad as a result of water. So water just gathers at the middle of the road and all of that. So I believe if a good drainage system is done on either side or on both sides, it will really help to reduce damage to the road. So this is another section of the road. You can see the workers helping to control traffic. They are still digging the other lane, leaving this section for us to be using. So the other lane is being dug for them to sand fill and continue the work around this region. So but great, I must say, and I'm excited to see that the work is on. And the news around is that it's going to be a dual carriageway. So let's hope that every section of the road will represent a dual carriageway, just as we are seeing on this portion that we are currently riding on. So the other portion we just passed, maybe there are plans to also bring expansion to those sides. We don't really know. So but great project, I must say, and kudos to the Imo State Governor. And just to ask as well, will there be street light on this one? For as many of you saw our video on the Umuahia own, you saw that there is street light all the way from Owerri to Umuahia on that road. So just that I'm not a night drive person, so I don't travel at night. If not, I would have loved to see how bright and clear that street light is. But some people in the comment section actually said they've used it at night and the whole street light is working, and that is quite impressive and commendable. So engineers on site, if you are seeing our video, let us know, will there be street light on this particular road? So let us know in the comment section. So thank you guys for staying with us on this ride so far. We are almost at Owerri now. So let us know what you think of this project. Let us get your thoughts. And if you enjoyed our video, do well to click to be part of our family. And for returning subscriber, as always, we really do appreciate your love for our channel. So thank you so much for your awesome support. So we are currently in Owerri, just driving into Owerri. So you can see that it's a dual carriageway into Owerri, and I believe that is how the road is going to continue with the current work they are doing. So thank you so much, guys. We appreciate you, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.